She should be coming back soon-ish. So this will be life with dogs. So what I want to show today is the dog's reactions when either me or Lisa comes back. So right now Lisa is out shopping and she should be coming back soon, and the dogs are kind of itchy to greet her, so they're kind of getting ready. Any sound that's someone walking on the street, they react to. And once Lisa comes back, hopefully we can get the proper video of them reacting. They've calmed down a bit, but they're definitely sort of on edge, I guess, waiting for Lisa to come back. So let's see how this works out. She should be coming back soon-ish. She went to go to the supermarket. And I think some other stuff. That's pretty cute, man. Your eyes are nice. We'll have to clean that up later now. So, hi. And then Momo wants pets. When she wants pets, she jumps on me and says, "Pet me." That's what she's doing now. So I'm going to cut this out. Okay. Oh, okay. Okay, we'll show a little bit of this, but hold on. Okay. Hey. So they're still, well, Lily's still waiting. Momo's kind of out, but they're waiting out here in the open. Usually they sleep in their beds. Let's see what happens. What's that? They're really fast. And this is how they react. I missed it. Hey, got it. I'm happy Lisa's back. Happy ending.